Hey, fifth grade. So today on Monday, June 1st, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial for what you're going to do today. Your work is a few tasks to take the writing that you've been doing and get it ready and post it on our class website. So here's your document where you've been working. Remember, if you don't have access, you can go back to unsubmit so you can work on it. And what you'll see here is it says the fourth step after you've written all three of your paragraphs last week is to revise and edit your three paragraphs after Mr. Luke gives you feedback, and then copy all three paragraphs onto one page. So when you open up your document today on Monday, you're going to see that I gave you some notes with some feedback. You're going to take that feedback and use it to fix anything. So if I said, make sure you add an explanation, then go ahead and make sure you add an explanation. If I say, this word is spelled wrong, then go ahead and fix that. Then what you're going to need to do, here's your plan. Here's the paragraphs, my example, and this would be where you wrote one, but here's a copy of my example for all three paragraphs. And it says Monday, June 1st, which is today. Copy and paste all three paragraphs into the box below. Then complete any final edits and revisions. Make sure that, and it gives you some directions. So first I'm going to copy and paste my paragraphs. So you will come up to your Wednesday box here, and you will start by highlighting it. So you will click, and you will drag, or you can hit the shift button like this. You can click, hold the shift button, and drag like that. Then you're going to go to edit, copy, and you're going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to paste your first paragraph. So you're going to go edit, paste. You can skip that. Oops, give me a problem. And there you paste it, edit, paste. Next, this is my first paragraph, so I need my second paragraph. I'm going to go back up from Thursday. I'm going to highlight, edit, copy, or I can click Command C on an Apple, or right click C on a PC, on a Chromebook. Edit, copy. Now I'm going to scroll down and post my second paragraph. Enter, tab. There's my second paragraph, and tab's not working for me, so I'm going to give it some spaces so I have my indent. Finally, I'm going to get my third paragraph. It's right here. Edit, copy. And edit, paste. It's giving me a hard time there, so I'm going to use a shortcut, Control V. Okay, so now I have all my paragraphs here in one place, and I'm going to put my name up here. My name is Lucas Wrights. Yours is something different, so you're going to put your first and last name there. Now, before you put this on the class website, the last thing you need to do is check all these things. Type your name at the top. Okay, I did that. Every word is spelled correctly. No red squiggly underlines unless it's a name that the computer doesn't recognize. So for example, if this word here had that red squiggly underline, I meant to say adults and I left out the U, it would give me the red squiggly line. So I can go Control click and it will say, did you mean adults? Or down here, for example, if the word control, I had left out the O and spelled it wrong. I'm going to go Control, click, and it says control. So I'm not leaving any spelling errors, okay? Every sentence begins with a capital letter. I'm going to read through and check. Have you ever, okay? Check every sentence begins with a capital letter. And then you're going to resubmit it one more time for me so that I have it. Now, here's the last thing that you're going to do today, and this is really important. You're going to put this writing that you've done on the class website. Back in Google Classroom, there's a link for the Padlet for our class project website. Here's what that website looks like. So now you're going to use that copy-paste function again. You're going to come back to your work. You're going to select the whole thing, edit, copy. Now you're going to come over here to this work in Padlet, okay? And all you do is you come and click on this this circle, the kind of pink circle with the plus sign. You're going to click on there. For your title, you're going to put your name first and last. So I'm going to go Lucas Writes. And then it says write something. Then I'm going to paste. So I could go to the top and do edit paste, or I can do Command V. And there is my response right there. Today, that is all you're going to do is you're going to paste that in. And it says at the bottom, requires approval, but you are good to go. Then you can click anywhere else, and then you can actually close out of that for today. That way, I will see your work on the fifth grade page. I'll be able to give you approval, and then in a few days, you're going to add to that something creative. That's it for today. A lot of copying and pasting, and if you have any questions, please reach out.